Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm testing out Revlon's Pro Collection. This is the Salon One-Step Hairdryer and Volumizer. And I was really curious about it. I've seen some people use it and I have very thick, coarse hair. And I wanted to see if this can help cut back on drying time and also give me volume and a blowout at home. It's supposed to be like a salon blowout. So it looks like this. And it's pretty big, like holding it, and it has the dials here. It has off, cool, low, and high. And you just turn it. So I already did my bangs. I have to do those separately with like a small brush. But the rest of my hair is damp. I just got out of the shower a little while ago and put some makeup on, so my hair is damp. And I want to see what this can do on my hair. I have high hopes for this, so let's see. I'm going to part my hair and put some of it up. And we'll start from the bottom and let's see what happens. I'm going to try on high first. This gets really hot, like pretty hot. It smoothed out my hair. Alright guys, so this is how my hair came out with the styler. I will say that this does grip your hair pretty well. I was kind of concerned about that because with coarse hair, my hair usually doesn't like hang on to things sometimes. And there's these little bristles in here there's the pink ones, but then there's these smaller ones that kind of hold the hair in place. So you're able to smooth out your hair and it all kind of stays in place while you're going. So you're able to kind of control it, and just like a regular blowout in a salon, you kind of just go with it. You don't just leave it. You have to just continue to work it and smooth it out. Just a little bit about my hair. My hair is very thick, coarse, frizzy. I did have a keratin treatment on it a couple of weeks ago, so it's already smoothed out from the keratin treatment, but it did make my hair a lot less voluminous. So it dries pretty straight and shiny, but there's really no volume anymore. So I do have to kind of work to give it a little bit of volume. And this did really well. This is the same effect that I would have if I was using a brush and a blow dryer. This is just an all-in-one. And I really think I do like the idea. I think there's a learning curve to it, and I'm gonna have to try it out a little bit more, because this time it took me about 17 minutes total to do my hair, which isn't that bad, but I feel like I could do it in less than 10. So I think for my hair type, what I'm gonna have to do is rough dry it at the beginning, maybe a couple of minutes to just kind of get that initial wetness out of it, and then go in with this to kind of fine tune, finish it off, really give it the style, and that will really I'll be able to get this effect in less than 10 minutes. I'm very confident that I could do that. I really don't have anything bad to say about it. It is kind of bulky. It's not heavy. It's just bulky, but my hand fits it pretty well. I like that there's a place you can hold your hand while you're kind of doing the motions. And it wasn't too pricey. I think it was under $60. So I'll link it down below where you can find this if you guys are curious about it. But I really, really like it, and I'm ready to go ahead and try it out a lot more. I think this is going to save me so much time in the morning. So overall, I really, really enjoy this, and I definitely recommend it to anybody who is looking into this and kind of was on the fence, because I was on the fence for so long. But I'm happy that I did pick this up. So thank you guys so much for watching my video today, and we will see you in my next video.